Hi, how to batch rename lots of files without Excel or any other software. Now to do this, this is on Windows computer. Go on to the Start button and type command.exit. Once you've done that, you need to navigate to your folder with the files in it. So in this case it's test9, so I'm going to go cd c test9. Now if it has spaces in the file name, then you have to put it in double quotes. So for example, test9. So that's now in that folder there. So first of all I need to get a directory list out to a script file. Now to do this you do dir. You can just list the RTF files, for example, or PDF, or if just leave it blank, you do all files. So I'm going to do that in this case. And then just /b, and then /s. That gives you the full path to list.bat. Okay, press return. Now it creates this file here called list.bat. That is going to be the bat script. If you right mouse on it, click edit. So that is the file list there that we had in the folder. So I need to get rid of that because I don't need that one, that bottom line. So now I need to do the rename. On later versions of Windows you can just use rename command. On early ones it's ren. So I'm going to start it off by doing edit replace. So I want to replace this test9 with rename quote c test9 replace. So now I just need the end quote. So you can either do it, you can do it a few different ways. You can do replace .rtf, say if they're all RTF files for example, with .rtf double quote and then put a space on the end and replace all, or you can put the quote on yourself manually. Once you've done that, you just need to pick the file name that you want. So you just do it's called the local path file name, not the full path file name. So in this case let's do 1 RTF, 2, 3, I need to rename those in a minute. 4. To do this, what I do is highlight, press Ctrl C to copy, then move it down, press Ctrl V to paste. That we can do it really quickly, and just press the cursor down key at the end of each line, which goes to the end of the next line. So you can see all those on 1 RTF. So I'm going to change that to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You call these whatever you want. If you've got spaces in the file name that you need to put in double quotes, to do that quickly you could do when you replace .rtf with RTF double quote, you could do replace .rtf with .rtf double quote space double quote, and that will put in the double quotes for you. Now that is ready to go now. So I'm going to save it. So I've got my list there. Just double click it. And you can see it's renamed all the files there in there to the names. If you want to edit it again, right mouse edit. If you want to see what it's doing, you can put a pause at the end and it will show up on screen in case there's any problems. And that's it. Give it a try.